Okay, let's see what we're doing. We are evaluating a nonlinear function, and this is HK6. It's so hard to read. And this is your eighth grade IXL. The question says use the following function rule to find f of 7, the function of 7, f of 7. So, what we need to do is plug 7 into our function. Basically, what is the function of 7? In other words, what is the function when x equals 7? That's basically what this means. So let's go ahead and plug it in, and we can find our answer. So for absolute value, we're going to put our x of 7 plus 9 and close our absolute value here. Okay, so absolute value in parentheses work similar. They work in a similar way. So 9 and 7 is 16. So this is 4 absolute value of 16. So 4 times the absolute value of 16. The absolute value of 16 is just 16. So 4 times 16 is 64. So f of 7 is just 64. Okay, let's jump up a level here. Okay, we're at 55 for our smart score. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one. So use the function rule to find f of negative 7. So in other words, what is the function when x is negative 7? So where we see an x, we're going to put a negative 7. So we're going to say the f of x is equal to 9 absolute value negative 7 plus 11. Okay, just like order of operations, these are brackets similar to parentheses. So negative 7 plus 11, you subtract them and you get 4. And then ignoring the signs, 11 is bigger than 7, so it's going to be positive 4. So 9 times absolute value of positive 4. Absolute value of positive 4 is just 4. So 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, let's go up another level. Now we're looking at the 90 plus, so it jumps all the way up here. And we have to find the function of 7, the function when f of x is equal to your 7.9. So the function when x equals 7.9. So let's plug this in. Let's say parentheses 7.9 minus 7.6 squared. We're going to do our parentheses first, like well, all order of operations. 7.9 minus 7.6 is just zero point 0.3 squared. And multiplying decimals, you do 9 times 3 is 9. Since there's two decimals, you need to have two places behind your decimal there. So the answer is 0.09. Let's see what else we have here. So it looks like we are playing with some square root type problems here. Okay, so what is the function when x is 16? So negative 6.98, the square root of 16. So this is the square root of 16 is 4. So think of this as negative 6.98 times 4. And if you multiply those out, you get negative 27.92. So let's put that in there. Negative 27.92. And let's see what else we have. All right. They are pretty tough, but let's take a look. All right, we need to find the function. Whoops. Losing my screen here. Okay. We need to find this function when x is 8.58. So Let's go 6.3 absolute value negative 9.28 plus 8.58. And let's close our absolute value. So we have to subtract them because they're different signs. So we're going to subtract. And you get zero point 0.70, negative 0.70, absolute value of negative 0.70. But remember, absolute value, it's basically asking what's the distance this is from 0. And distance is always positive. So it's going to be 6.3 times zero point 0.7. And our answer is going to be, okay, and the answer is 4.41. Put that in there, and we'll see that we got it.